Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make a custom quotation template in ZohoBooks. So, let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and go to the Settings option at the bottom left corner. Under Templates, select Quotes. Here, you'll see a list of existing templates. Click on Plus New Template to start creating your own. Now, enter a template name and customize the header with your company logo, name, and address. You can also edit the body to show product or service details, taxes, and discounts exactly how you want them. ZohoBooks also allows you to add terms and conditions or extra notes at the bottom of the quote. Once you've finished designing, click Save. Your custom template is now ready to use whenever you send a quotation to your customers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.